Welcome back to another day of Food for the Soul. Today I will be doing Mabel Goodchild's red beans and rice. Yes, red beans and rice. Some people don't know how to make the homemade red beans and rice. So I'm gonna show you Mabel Goodchild's take on red beans and rice. So let's get ready and go! For this recipe right here, mainly takes time to cook your beans, but what I already done did was I got a bag of kidney beans. I put them in water, let them sit for 3 hours, drain the water, put more in. I'm also going to be adding more stuff to my red beans and rice to give it that perfect good taste to it. Alright, the first thing, I do, but is add chicken broth to my water. Some people, they cook their, with all chicken broth. I don't. What I do is mainly use about a cup. So I have some onions right here. So I'm going to cut the onions up. Throw my onions in there. Throw some green peppers in here. I know that's going to be on a video, but sometimes at the house when you're cooking, that happens. Alright. So I'm also going to add some sausage to mine. You can use the kind of sausage you like. Some people love all beef sausage, all chicken sausage. This is the Conecuh sausage, which I love. Let me cut my eye on real quick. So I'm just going to cut it into the kind of pieces that I want it. Alright, I got my sausage pieces right here. I throw that in good. And this is the start of something good. So I also have some neck bones too. So I'm going to throw some neck bones in here. I'm going to give one more neck bone. And the people that know about good cooking, they know about all this stuff in your red beans and rice. Alright. So I got all of my meat just about but in here. Near about to the end. So I'm going to add one more meat to it. So it's going to be 3 meats inside my red beans and rice. What's going to give it that good flavor. Alright. Next is salt. I'm going to add salt. Try not to add too much salt starting off, because once you put it in, you can't take it out. Alright, pepper. Alright. Which I am going to be adding more to it. This is Creole seasoning. And I'm going to add a little bit of paprika. Not a lot, just a very, very little. Alright. So this is all you basically need, and you just go by taste after that. So I'm gonna let this cook some and come back about like 15 minutes into the cooking. So this is 30 minutes into my cooking right here. So what I'm gonna do right now, see, is cut it down some more, let it simmer, and add a little more water to it, not a lot, because it's still got about another hour to cook. See, okay, this is my ground beef I'm cooking right here. This is gonna go inside of my red beans. So my red beans, but in rice will have neck bone, sausage, and ground beef. So my red beans and rice is done. So it done reduced down, and remember, mine's got sausage, ground beef, and neck bones in it. So let me grab my rice real quick on this side right here. Let me put my rice right here. And I'm about to dip out some red beans. Let me grab a piece of neck bone with it. Give me a scoop of rice. A little bit more right there. Now this is my red beans and rice. So this is my red beans and rice right here, which is real good.